Scientific study of RIG Veda, class 60. Today we are going through the Mandal 1, Sooktha-26. The Mandras are from 1 to 5. Here the Devatha is Agni. Agni means energy. We are doing any work with the support of energy. So, no much explanation is required in this place. We can easily go through the Sooktha. Now let us go through the first mantra.
RIGVEDam Mandalam 1 Sooktham 26 1 Rishi Shunashephan Devatha Agni Chandas Gayatri Vasishwahi Miyetva Vastrani Urjampate Semam no Advaram Eja.
It says Agni is very powerful. It is capable to do any work. So we should approach it. We can directly approach Agni. You should admire it because he possesses all these required qualities to support us. That means without Agni we cannot do anything. So it is ready to help us at any time. It covers with its energy, Tejas. So Agni is surrounded by his energy or Tejas. That brightness, it possesses the brightness. And it completes our yajna. What all things we are doing, that yajna is complete, that work, Agni is completing. Now let us go through the second mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1 Sooktham 26 2 Nino Hodavarenya Sada Yavishta Manmabhihi Agni Divitmada Vajaha.
It also says Agni possesses tejas or brightness. It is powerful in nature and it is always youthful in nature. That means Agni is very active at all times. There is no old age to Agni. Then it tells Agni to accept our study. Study means Vedic mantra or science principles. You should accept our science principles. While doing any work, we are applying certain science. There is some science behind it. Then only Agni will complete that work. So, it tells Agni to accept our science principles, which we are going to apply there. Then with that, it will help us to complete that work. Now let us go through the third mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1 Sooktham 26 3 Ahishma Sunave Vidabir Yajatyapaye Saha Sakhe Varanyaha.
It says Agni to us is like father to son, brother to brother, mitra, friend to friend. That means father gives all support to his son. Likewise, brother helps his brother. Now, friend helps his friend. Likewise, this Agni also is helping us. It is like a friend, like a father, like a brother. It is ready to help us at every time. It is ready to give us what all things we require. It will help us, energy help us in all our activities. Now let us go through the fourth mantra.
RIGVEDA Mandalam 1 Sooktham 26 4 Ano Berhi Dishadaso Varuno Mitro Aryama Sidandu Manusho Yatha.
Here it says Varuna, that means the orbit, Mitra under suitable condition, and Aryama. Aryama is something related with atom. So, these are the factors influencing our activities. So, it tells them to help us to overcome our enemy or enmity or all the opposition that we are facing while we are doing any work. It tells all these gods to support us. For this, you should come and sit in our Kushasana. Kushasana means the Kusha is coil, that is in the generator coil where we are producing this Agni energy in the form of electricity. Here energy is in the form of electricity. In the Kushasana, in the coil or in the armature, we are producing electricity from this armature coil. While it is rotating in a magnetic field, it produces energy in the form of electricity under suitable conditions. That is Mitra. Varuna is orbit. Orbit is responsible for conductivity of the material or anything like that. That is why we are using copper. It possesses such an orbit in which electron can easily absorb if we apply some magnetic flux change inside it. Now here Agni is in the form of energy. Agni is in the form of electrical energy. Now let us go through the fifth mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 26-5 പൂർവ്യഹോദരസ്യ നോ മന്ദസ്യ സഖ്യസ്യ ച ഇമാ ഉഷു ശ്രീധി ഗിരഹാം.
This Agni is there in the old age, in the earlier periods also. Agni there in every period. In the earlier period, at this time of creation of universe, this energy is there. At the end period, that is at the time of destruction of this universe, at the time of Pralaya, Agni is there. Agni is throughout in the universe. So, it tells such an Agni to come in our workplace or yajna with a friendly attitude. It tells Agni to come in our workplace in a friendly attitude. It is a good friend. It is a good friend. Agni is a good friend. It will it will give all us help to complete our work. And this Sooktha says, accept our Sooktha. But Agni will do all the things if we are doing it scientifically. Otherwise, Agni will not do. If we want to cook for rice, we should put water, the rice and water, and then heat, apply heat. Then only it will cook into rice. Otherwise, without water, if we heat the rice, we will not get the food. So to cook food, we should add water. To get a very good food, we should add salt also. For cooking other foods, we should add chili powder or in definite proportion. Then only we will get a good food. So we should approach it scientifically, based on certain science principle, based on studies. Then only Agni will accept it and give the required product. Now we can go through the other Sooktha in the next class.